Dear students, today we will learn preparation of ledger accounts with the help of cash book. You can see one double column cash book is on the screen and it is prepared with few imaginary transactions. So opening balance of cash and bank, you can see opening balance of cash is 7,000 and opening balance of bank is 25,000. During the month, we have received 9,000 from cash sales, 3,000 from Raj, and through check, we have received 10,000 from Ram and 5,000 from sales and 9,000 as commission. And on credit side, you can see there are few payments like purchases, 5,000 rupees. We have paid amount to Ashok, 9,000 through check. Payment of salaries there, rent, purchases, and Sham. So these are few imaginary transactions which are posted in cash book. Now with the help of these transactions, we will prepare ledger account. See how the treatment will come in ledger account. So first of all, we will see debit side. From debit side, there is a need of preparation of sales account. First of all, we will create ledger. See how many ledger accounts are required to prepare sales account and then Ram's account. And again, entry of sale is there. Sales account is already created by us. And after that, Raj. So Raj's account will be our next ledger and then commission account. Okay. So from debit side, we will create 4 ledger. Now come to credit side. First of all, purchases account. Purchases account. Then ledger of Ashok is required to prepare Ashok's account. Then we have to prepare salary account. Then rent account and purchase account is already created by us. And at the last, Shyam's account. Now see how treatment will come. First entry is in debit side, we have written 2 sales. So that the journal entry is cash account debit to sales. So in sales account, treatment will come in credit side by cash account and amount will come 9,000. See how simple is to write in sales account. Next is Ram. So convert this transaction into journal entry. Entry will be bank account debit to Ram. So in Ram's account by bank account will come. Okay, and see what amount will come? 10,000 rupees. Very simple to write with the help of cash book in ledger. Next is again sales, the 2 sales. Now convert this transaction into journal entry, bank account debit to sales. So in sales account by bank account will come this time and see how much we are receiving 5,000. Okay, now next is Raj. Convert this particular posting into journal entry, cash account debit to Raj, cash account debit to Raj. So in Raj, by cash account will come, by cash account will come and see what amount is there. 3,000 rupees amount will come. And after that, you can see to commission is written 9,000 rupees. So convert this particular transaction into journal entry. That will be bank account debit to commission. So in commission account by bank account will come rupees 9,000. Okay, so like this, we will write all the treatments in ledger.